Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be cooking spicy chicken fillet with roasted garlic dip. It's easy to make and the dip is amazing. It's crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Try this recipe and you can make this dish in under 15 minutes. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make chicken fillet. To make this chicken recipe, I've got 500 grams of chicken breast, washed and pat dried. Now let's cut them into thin slices. First, let's flatten the chicken. Spread a cling sheet or a plastic sheet on a cutting board. Place the chicken and cover it with a cling sheet. Now let's gently flatten the meat on both sides. In a bowl, add juice of 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of salt, mix well and keep it ready. Now let's dip all the chicken pieces in this and let's keep it aside. Let it sit for some time till we mix our spices. Now let's mix our spices. This is 1.5 teaspoons of Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chicken 65 masala, 1.5 tablespoon of yellow cornmeal. If it's not available, you can use corn flour, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Give this a nice mix. Take a chicken slice, coat well with the spices on both sides. Keep this aside till we make our dip. Ingredients to make roasted garlic dip. First, let's chop the garlic into thin slices. Heat up some oil in a pan. Add garlic and roast it until it turns brown and crispy. Garlic is roasted well. This is done. Now let's remove it from the pan. Let's make roasted garlic dip. For that, into a bowl, add half cup of fresh yogurt, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped parsley, quarter teaspoon of chili flakes. Add roasted garlic, just crush and add it. Finally, add half a teaspoon of salt and give a mix. Now this is done. Wonderful dip for this chicken. You must try it. Let's fry all our chicken slices in this garlic infused oil. Fry them for 2 minutes on each side. Our chicken is done. Now let's take it out from the oil. Chicken is nice and crisp on the outside, soft and juicy on the inside. Share this recipe with your family and friends and post your feedback. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.